Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at NX1 Mall, which is located in Noida Extension. So this is the view of project location. It's an under construction project. As here you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. This project offers office spaces and shops. The possession of this project will be given by December 2024. This project is built across 25 acres of land. And is located in one of the prime location of Noida Extension. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.